How is it going, everybody? Mr. Android here, and we are back with another amazing episode of Best Android Apps, this time for the month of August. Today I've brought you 10 incredible apps that are guaranteed to transform how you use your phone every day. Now you're definitely installing a couple of these before the video ends, and I'll also be giving away a bunch of promo codes, so you don't wanna miss out. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment, and let's get started. Alright guys, starting things with a launcher that I recently found out, and it goes by the name called Mango Launcher. Look, most minimal launcher gets boring after a few days, but this one is completely different. I mean, check this out. It actually has a built-in unique physics-based layout where all your app icons react to your touch and tilt. Not just that, you can also go with a traditional grid or a clean home screen with a list view, and there is also this mosaic layout for something fresh and visually attractive. So you get bunch of different styles to customize your home screen all inside this single launcher. On top of that, the app drawer is super fast and practical with a dedicated alphabet scrubber, so you can jump to any app with a single drag, plus an instant search feature that auto opens the app as you type. But the real magic happens in the settings page. I mean, the customizations here are endless. You can apply third-party icon packs, reshape icons with adaptive colors, change accent colors right from your wallpaper, pick custom font, and even add frosted glass effect. You can also assign custom gestures, and there are a bunch of different themes that you can choose from. Overall, I think it's a clean and minimalist launcher that also comes with a lot of useful features and customizations. Definitely give it a try. Links to all the applications will be listed down in the description below. At number 2, we've got an incredible app for all the music lovers, and it's called Lyric Glow. This app literally lights up your always on display with word by word lyrics for any song that is playing on your phone. Now what I really liked is how each word smoothly lights up in real time following the exact rhythm and beat of the track. I mean, it literally turns your phone into a sleek looking karaoke screen, and the best part, it lets you personalize each and every element inside the app itself. You can customize gradient colors, and there are 14 beautiful presets that you can choose from. You can change custom fonts, add animations, and also apply widgets like clock or weather right onto the lyric screen. You can even control playback, pause or scrub through songs without opening your music app every time. And it works with every music app you have on your phone. For the price of free, I think it's a must-have application for every Android user. Next up is an app that completely changes how you send messages on your phone, and it's called Whisperflow, the sponsor of today's video. Most built-in voice typing tools fail the moment you hesitate or correct yourself out loud, but then comes Whisperflow that rewrites your spoken words on the fly. It actually understands what you are trying to say. I mean, you can talk completely natural, jump between your thoughts, or even mix English and Hindi. It will clean up the phrasing and format it into a perfectly written message in real time. For instance, if I say, hey, can you check flight tickets for Bangalore next Friday? No. Check Saturday morning flights instead, so I don't have to take leave on Friday. और हाँ, इंदिरा नगर के पास कोई होटल हो तो बुक कर देना. Whisperflow turns that into, hey, can you check flight tickets to Bangalore for Saturday morning instead of Friday, so I don't have to take leave also. Please look for hotel options near Indira Nagar. It runs system-wide with a floating bubble, so whether you're replying on WhatsApp, drafting an email, taking notes, or prompting ChatGPT or Gemini, you just tap and speak, and it easily saves minutes on every reply. It also works seamlessly across all your devices including Android, iOS, Mac and Windows. Whisperflow is free to use, but now you can grab 1 month of Whisperflow Pro with unlimited words totally free using the link in the description, and use promo code FHD on the desktop app. Moving on to the next app on our list, if you want to give your home screen an instant premium makeover, we have a fresh icon pack called Lumus Icon Pack. Every single icon is beautifully crafted with subtle transparency, soft lighting reflections, and vibrant gradients that make them look like they are gently glowing against your wallpaper, as it creates an amazing 3D depth that pops beautifully whether you are using a dark setup or bright colorful background. What I also liked is the consistency across all icons. I mean, everything feels uniform and well crafted. Since this is a fresh icon pack, it currently has more than 1000 high resolution icons, but you can expect frequent updates with more icons being added continuously. Plus, it also has a collection of matching wallpapers, so you don't have to spend hours looking for the right background. Although the app is not free, it is paid. I do have 30 promo codes to give away. If you want to win one, all you have to do is like and comment on this video and send me a DM on Instagram asking for the promo code. It's a first come first serve basis. At number 5, we have got Screencraft, an app that keeps getting better with every single update. First off, the interface feels way smoother, faster and more refined than before, but the absolute best part is the all new liquid glass clock. You can set a fully transparent liquid clock directly on your lock screen, where the clock blends seamlessly behind the subject for stunning look. They have also added AI templates by using which you can create high quality, gorgeous looking wallpapers. You can also add edge lighting to your home screen as well as lock screen. Then there is a separate section for video wallpapers that will completely transform your boring looking phone. This is what I really liked about Screencraft. It's not just a wallpaper app. It's an absolute goldmine for anyone who loves customization. And inside the app, there is also a dedicated setup section where you get home screen setup ideas for your Android phone. You can recreate the entire setup on your phone in just a few minutes. All in all, it's a must-have customization app for you. And if you have already installed Screencraft, then make sure you have updated and running the latest version to get all these amazing features. Next up, we have an app called Notch Touch. Hands down the best application to make full use of that camera cutout on your screen. Instead of just letting your phone's notch sit there, this app turns it into an interactive action button, and the absolute coolest feature they recently added is the Notch AI. With a single tap right on the camera cutout, you can trigger a smart AI assistant where you can ask questions and get instant answers on the fly, giving you a similar experience like Siri on iOS 27. On top of that, double tapping the notch opens a floating dynamic widget hub where I get access to media controls, volume and brightness sliders, and even some of the quick toggles. You can also assign custom gestures like long pressing to take screenshots, swipe left or right to toggle the flashlight, or jump right into your favorite app instantly. It's super responsive and works seamlessly without any issue. I think it's easily the most useful Notch app on Android right now, so definitely give it a try. At number 7, we have got Glyph, an app that turns simple drawing gestures into instant shortcuts. Instead of searching for apps or settings on your phone, you can just draw a letter or symbol on your screen to launch whatever you need. Whether it's opening an app, launching a website, or triggering system shortcuts, it opens everything instantly without any delay, and you can activate Glyph from your quick settings, notification bar, or directly from the home screen itself. Plus, you can assign multiple actions to a single gesture, customize the glow effect, change the color, and do a lot more. Trust me, this app will save a lot of your time, so definitely give it a try. Moving on to the next app, it goes by the name called Nook. If you are someone who constantly forgets daily tasks or hates opening Notes app every single day, this app is perfect for you. It brings all your to-do list, notes and reminders right on your lock screen where you see them most. It also lets you drag and move your task anywhere on the screen to perfectly align with your clock and widgets. Now inside the app, you get different themes, custom fonts, and you can also personalize your notes with different colors. All in all, I think it's a pretty unique and useful note-taking app, and for the price of free, I'll highly recommend you to give it a try. Next up, at number 9, we have got SideDock, a sleek multitasking sidebar which is heavily inspired by the Nothing's design language. Just swipe from the edges of the screen and a floating menu pops out with all your essential shortcuts. You can adjust your screen brightness, control the volume, open your favorite app, manage your music, or quickly grab anything from your clipboard without leaving the app you are in, and it gets completely out of the way when you don't need it. Overall, if you're looking for something that can replace your phone's basic looking sidebar with a modern touch, then definitely try this one out. Finally, we have an app called NoteCalc. This app combines a calculator and a notepad into a single screen. So if you are someone who often calculates numbers, whether you are planning for a daily budget, making a shopping list, or calculating bill totals, now you don't need to jump back and forth to a separate calculator app. All you need to do is just type naturally like a regular note, and it calculates numbers and totals instantly as you type. Again, this app is completely free to download, so I'll highly recommend you to try this one out. That's pretty much it for this video. These are some of the best Android applications you need to download right now on your Android phone. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite one, and if you guys like this video then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android. Now see you guys in the next one.